Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Vivo Y17 versus a Samsung Galaxy A30, and this phone is giving you a new Exynos 7904 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the Vivo Y17 is giving you a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Logo came first on the A30. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And Samsung Galaxy A30 is the fastest one, and Vivo Y17 is also done. And I have to say that was about the same on both phones, and everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Vivo Y17, and A30 is right behind launching the settings, and that is again faster on the Vivo Y17 launching the mic lock. And again that was about the same on both phones launching the calendar application, and this time Vivo Y17 is faster there launching some games application. First I am launching the my files application, and you can see that was about the same on both phones launching some games application. First is the Candy Crush on both phones, and Vivo Y17 is the fastest one, and A30 is right behind launching the next game application, the Subway Surfer on both phones. And again Vivo Y17 is the fastest one, and A30 is right behind showing me a logging thing, so that is why a huge difference. Last game application is the Temple Run 2. And Vivo Y17 is again faster there, and A30 is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and faster on the Y17, and A30 is right behind launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo Internet versus a Samsung internet browser. And I will launch the internet browser on both phones. First website is the wikipedia.org, and that is faster on the Vivo Y17. A30 is right behind, looks very good on both phones. Let's go back and launching the next website, the facebook.com on both phones. Faster on the Y17, and A30 is right behind. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. Both phones is giving you a 4GB RAM. And last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Vivo Y17, and A30 is right behind to the Vivo Y17. RAM measurement is very good on both phones, not much a difference between both of these phones. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A30 versus a Vivo Y17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.